and that is my bare skin and how my skin looks without any makeup. And trust me, every skin is beautiful with or without makeup, and I'm shooting this in complete natural light so that you all can see how makeup looks like in reality, in person, in the best way possible that I can show you all. I'll be doing it in today's video. So you can see it right away: pigmentation, dark circles, acne scars, peach fuzz, everything is normal. So let's just normalize skin texture and pigmentation and start loving the skin. It's a journey altogether, and let's start with the video. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and you're watching the Trend Diaries. So we all love makeup therapy videos. They are very calming and soothing, such a vibe. So why not add one more to the list? So let's get started with today's video. Kickstarting the video with my skincare. I've already cleansed my face and pat dried it. Now moving to my serum. I'll be using the vitamin C from the Minimalist. If you too are dropping the serum the way I did, make sure you do not touch the pipette on your skin. This serum contains a 10% vitamin C, that is ethyl ascorbic acid, and is good to use even during the AM routine. Why did you use a good SPF protection along with it? To moisturize my skin, I'll be using the vitamin B5 at 10% moisturizer again from the Minimalist. Moisturizer is oil-free, very lightweight, and has a gel-like consistency that gets easily absorbed into the skin. Make sure you apply the moisturizer on your neck and chest as well. Let this moisturizer seep into my skin and wait for some time, and then add my SPF on this. For my SPF, I love using this one from Dot & Key. It is their vitamin C plus E super bright sunscreen. All of my skincare is fragrance free, and this particular one has a very lightweight and runny consistency. Plus it does not give any white cast and comes with an SPF protection of 50 with PA+++, so it's a great sunscreen, especially if you have oily skin or want something very lightweight, then you can go ahead with this. For my makeup today, I'll be using all of these products to create a beautiful soft makeup look. Today's video is sponsored by SS Beauty. In fact, all of the products that I'll be using in today's video are from there, and you too can get your hands on them because the SS Beauty Showstopper sale is now live, and you can get up to 50% off on your favorite brands like Be Blunt, Aqualogica, Lakme, and many more. You can either shop from SS Beauty website or app, which by the way is super convenient and easy to shop from. Or you could also find these offers in SS Beauty stores. Find the nearest store to you on the app itself. Let's start with my makeup. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. It is a great primer to begin with, especially if you're beginners. You would love this as well if you do have oily or combination skin type. This primer feels very lightweight, just like any other moisturizer. It mattifies the face and elongates the wear time of your base, and it also reduces the appearance of pores. Then up, I'll be using the Lakme Lumi Cream. This is somewhat like a moisturizer that would also add like a healthy glow to your skin. Unlike highlighters, which are very chunky, this just feels very skin-like and healthy glow on the skin, and that is the reason why I really like this soft pink glow. It just makes you look younger is what I feel, and overall the skin looks very healthy, and the best part is that it does not have very big chunky particles of glitter in the formula. Up next, I'll be concealing the pigmentation on my face. For that, I'm using the caramel shade of the Age Rewind Concealer. Again, one of my favorite concealers to do this part. And I'll be using this on my eyelids, underneath my eyes, over the dark circles. Also, to hide the pigmentation around my mouth, I've applied the same concealer. And then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm blending the concealer out. First, I'm blending the concealer around my mouth. So basically you can do color correcting, but these days I'm into using warmer concealer shades to conceal first if I'm gonna be doing my base, or if I'm not gonna be doing my base, I just use some concealer like Spot Correct, and that's it. That's the way I'm liking to do my base these days. You can see right away that the coverage is really good on this one. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Spotlight eyeshadow palette from Lakme Absolute. and picking up this soft salmon shade on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm focusing it into my crease area, and I would also apply the same shade all over my eyelid. Coral shades like these, just freshen up your face and overall make you look younger. Like right now I'm into makeup looks that make me look younger because I'm heading towards my 30s, lol. But yes, then I'm using a tapered blending brush and just applying a little bit of the darker chocolate brown on the outer third V of my eye, and then just softening the edges up with the same blending brush that we used to apply the salmon shade on my eyelid. And then for my eyebrow, keeping it simple, I'm using the soap styler. This is from Makeup Revolution, and just by spritzing some makeup spray into it, it just activates the soap, and then I'm using the spoolie that comes along with it to brush through my eyebrow hair, and in this way I can easily push down my eyebrow hair into shape. And I feel this soap styler works really well to actually tame my thick bushy kind of brow hair, unlike other products. And then for my foundation, I'm using the trusted Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I'm in the shade 3W2 Cashew, and I've taken a little amount of it and applied like a thinnest layer of dots all over my face. And then I'm using the same beauty blender to blend this foundation. First I'm blending the outer edges, and then I'll be blending the centers of my face. Now this foundation again is very lightweight, extremely long wearing, and waterproof, sweatproof, and this is just something which is perfect for any festivities or any occasion. This would be your bestie, trust me. I really love and adore the formula of this foundation, and the fact that I'm using a beauty blender also gives me a very skin-like radiant base, unlike it looking like a mask on my face, which I'm not into these days, as you might be knowing by now. That's done, I'll also drag the rest of the product on my neck, and then just to bring up some light back to my face, I'm using the shade Butterscotch from the Age Rewind concealer, and I've applied a very tiny amount underneath my eyes, underneath my lips, chin, on the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead, just so as to highlight very very lightly, not way too much. I do not want way too contrast shades on my face, so caramel and butterscotch are the shades that I love going for. And then for my blush, I'm using this vibrant pop of color. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's the super dewy blush, and it looks very very intimidating, I know, but this Barbie pink shade looks absolutely gorgeous on my dusky skin tone as well. You can see it right away. The shade flatters my skin really well, and I'm sure this would work across skin tones. Do not just go by the packaging. The shade is just something that would make you look so much fresh and awake. I love it. And then just to set my face in place, I'm using the K Beauty HD translucent powder in the shade White, and with very less amount I'm just patting it onto my face and wherever I've like applied my concealer, and around my mouth majorly, because I do not really sweat a lot, so I use very less amount of powder. Basically I just basically take the brush all over my face with whatever is left on it. And then to sculpt my face, I'm using the K Beauty contour palette. I really love this trio as well, so I picked up the contour shade as well as the bronzer shade, mix them up, and then just applying it in the hollows of my cheek like so. And basically that's what I like to do, and with whatever is left on the brush, again taking it on the bridge of my nose and underneath my lips, and then picked up a little bit more to apply on my large forehead and to just mask the double chin, I'm using the same shade. Then for my highlighter, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Again, another beautiful skin-like highlighter that you can definitely add to your collection. And a very little amount, I'm applying it on the high points of my cheek, underneath my brow, and the bridge of my nose. Not applying way too much because less is more these days. And then with the same precise blending brush, I've applied the soft brown color underneath my lower lash line as well. And then with the fluffy one, I'm picking up the salmon shade and this just blending everything up, and that's basically it for my eyeshadow. Very simple and very natural, perfect for everyday wear. Then just curling my eyelashes before applying the mascara. And then for my mascara today, I'll be using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is a waterproof version, and just applying one single layer of this mascara because it's waterproof, and removing this is a task, so I do not really like to apply way too many coats of this mascara, but just one coat is enough honestly with the formula this mascara has. So yeah, you'll be sorted with even one coat on the upper as well as lower lashes, and that's how my lashes look post one coat. Then for my lipstick, I'm using this gorgeous lip color from Lakme Absolute. It's their matte melt liquid lip color, and this shade is, I think, Mocha Shot, which looks stunningly beautiful and drop dead gorgeous on my skin tone, and I feel this is the kind of shade that would work universally. You should definitely try it. Then to just complete the look, I have spritzed the L'Oreal Pro Set and Spray setting spray, and that is the finished look, and that is how my makeup has turned out. A very simple glam makeup look that you can definitely wear, and this is truly how makeup looks like in person. You can see at places near my nose I haven't even blended the concealer well. You can see the mascara smudges and everything. Like, this is real skin, tiny bumps here, there, hair, everything is normal but still looks beautiful in the end. And that is a completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. You can find all of the product links and the shade details mentioned in the description box below. And a big shout out to SS Beauty for sponsoring a small portion of today's video. And we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.